The ultimate Lana Green jewelry reviews tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're looking for unique, high-quality jewelry, most people get this wrong by buying flashy pieces without checking craftsmanship or authenticity. The surprising truth about Lana Green jewelry is that it combines elegant design with durable materials, making it perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. First, visit the Lana Green website or verified retailer. You won't believe how many buyers skip browsing collections carefully. Explore rings, necklaces, bracelets, and earrings to find items that fit your style. Next, read reviews. Most people get this wrong by ignoring verified feedback. Customer reviews reveal important details about material quality, comfort, and how the pieces hold up over time. Look for consistency in comments to identify the most reliable items. Check materials and certifications. The surprising truth is that not all jewelry is created equal. Lana Green provides details about metals, gemstones, and craftsmanship, ensuring you know exactly what you're getting. Compare prices and promotions. You won't believe how often shoppers miss seasonal discounts or bundle deals. Signing up for newsletters or checking official social media pages can unlock early access to limited offers. In conclusion, Lana Green jewelry can take you from zero to pro in online jewelry shopping. By browsing carefully, reading verified reviews, understanding materials, and watching for deals, you can confidently purchase elegant, durable pieces that enhance your style and last for years.